Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup at home without vegetables. First, select a high-quality broth, such as chicken, beef, or vegetable broth, ensuring it's free of vegetable pieces. Next, consider adding a protein like shredded chicken, small meatballs, or even a handful of tiny pasta shapes for substance. Finally, season your soup generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite dried herbs like thyme or bay leaves to build a robust flavor profile. This simple approach creates a comforting meal. To build a fantastic base, start by heating your chosen broth in a pot. For extra depth, you can gently simmer aromatics like garlic powder and onion powder for about 5 minutes. Next, consider whisking in a tablespoon of butter or a splash of olive oil. This adds a luxurious mouthfeel and helps carry flavors. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer before adding any solid ingredients. This ensures a smooth, flavorful foundation for your soup. To elevate your soup, consider adding a splash of heavy cream or coconut milk for a wonderfully creamy texture. For an umami boost, a dash of soy sauce or a tablespoon of nutritional yeast can work wonders without adding vegetables. You might also stir in a small amount of cooked rice or egg noodles for more body. Finish your bowl with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a drizzle of chili oil for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. Your delicious, vegetable-free soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot, perhaps alongside some warm, crusty bread or a handful of your favorite crackers for dipping. Always taste and adjust the seasonings one last time before serving each bowl, ensuring it's perfectly balanced to your preference. And speaking of quality, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.